godsend from above.
And what better way to sweeten your day than a blue spoonful of a Culver's concrete mixer? We handcraft our fresh frozen custard.
Promo to try it free for a month, but you have to go to abcmouse.com/radio to claim your free month.
Time with her, I still remember.
President and Executive Director of Women in Government. I urge you to talk to your healthcare provider about...
By accident, really, I got asked by the news director, Carol Evan, to do some short 1-2 minute pieces on hunting and fishing because